Abusiafo se wo mpaebɔ bi a bobima chairman wuntumi what na nsɛm na baso ana nsɛm na ekoso anu edin papa and right be the story be by efa chairman wuntumi ne managing director of Akonta Mines osi opese okon testify against chairman wuntumi and the reasons now on mine say time now okodemu ona say oni chama untumi omachi omo a omo yoku honum na nkofo bebre eba bonti na omo say free chama untumi na onu nko ade na obia adwen ho kra say ye free ono so no sa seminenti anase niama na wo hunu oni ni lawyers akokasa na we hu say debi na the way ansem no kono ono obedem na onu kodem a se emre bi ba se bia ye betuma free chama wutumi oba ono dia ye ntuni free no abusiafo se na ya sa niema ni na papa we kan na ye ntro abusia aha ya Ghana Nsem TV ye be stress we be subscribe to the channel no for madwen chere bra comment section nyame shira nyina abusiafo chama wutumi case no aye serious papa na or see Sisia or testify against Chamauntumi. You see, you are raising over 20 million Ghana cedis for him. Time now, now question say, we'll see you and then daho. So we'll see you won't pay ya. So we'll soon pay you. Ebusia. We'll see you won't daho. Uni in the war honeymoon. Asisia, Obia, wood and I one thing to say. Usi wono ono na nkofo nim no na wokra enkanye endo na wo be kansem wekra no na obi ani
eda na ye court no jema wuntumi call first court or court 4 ho na akudin nka ho enti ho no ye ma jema wuntumi ene Akonta Mining 15 million Ghana cedis bill 3 sureties to justify ye wie ye no ena omukase ensan court 1 iti court 1 no ena ekokudin wum ena e ma omo 10 million Ghana cedis to be justified 3 sureties court 1 charges na ba ye no wo kanya esna ya ba 7 counts I say ekokudin be mu be imprenu pe tutu abi ne wum it was a money bill na bill ni e de ma ye no that time na ebeye DC bit to satisfy bill bond no entino ye momu kodem na ye di as ye ka sabi say ye group cheche ma wuntumi ne Akonta Mining ene ekroku eye baako ye de ye ne wa chisa ne yinim no ba court ndo onim ne saa o court no for bia individually court no for company court na fa chema wuntumi court na fa ekroku say obia e content kro enti ye pe bill conditions not satisfied no CID for ehwe nkofo fie ni ade no omo hwe obi afie separate from the other it ye ba chema wuntu wonu ma chema wuntu mi wo hia 10 million Ghana cedis enipa miensa eno so mudina ma sa nipa no omo henfa yengo hwe omu fie yengo gi valuation no it CID baako eno wo hwe chema wuntu mi die na another different CID person one also ehwe ekokon so die ba ne nyina mu ka eko ho ba nyina no chema wuntu retu asaka no eka eko ho nyina in fact sebo wa bati beta kakra menua eda chema wuntu sa adwa benada na ye court no chema wuntu mi yi ni botomiska about 200,000 and what the man penny for say ye fa hwe ne fa ka ho asem skana anso mame mo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia abaso be mame na nase asem ni si ye na Dr. Bawumia eni akra no wo ye campaign but e ba say bill conditions ni si ni tie no ya bola mane emma antoda ba ifa kabu no wa akra wono so na fefrem penifo emma ekoji sky akra de be so sky no so anso na Ulman na Akufo-Addo former president wa kware chairman tifie ya wono so penifo ko ha na kakra wono so de kakra so it made the sample for yase at the contest says can the bear mun mami nchem kakra say your mom bond a bill say a 10 million na was say a years of work value dan no The Dani 10 million now, or which is 0.5% of the value of your property. Into the number of 1% of 10 million, they're saying 1% and no matching or matching you know. You don't quite 8 years of the Ombajo, as I call last commission, as now over 20 baby. I can tell you, say, by the time we fear the need to you now, you woman, a clock put the no pana, yes, yeah, Chamaun to not the first spend this car by 500,000. I won't want you know. Mena me kahun. Ye no. Ye de ne boat be buy say Chamaun to me munko for no hefa. Munina ha. A quick munko for munina musia dimye. And ye na ye, and yes and sang, and yes and sang crata. Yes, say ye no. Chamaun to meet ye, Chamaun to meet ye no. Or we bibia, and what's nasty. I can't cook ye between ye. At the cook, there's a money in a large document, almost a year, almost a value ye 9.3, say 9.3 million into no swap about 700,000 in 10 million. Into register said 1 year. That time not about 430, almost 5. If you had that, into no, not just into me and make a commercial because near HM and the Navy and the train told my year contiano also. Into no, very, very unfortunate. Now, don't buy a goose at the roof. Assembly see ye now, you can't say just they go back to sales now. And I'm scrum at the VRB NBC. Miss I say we are be as NBC.
Abusia, make rana say my mistake. Na enye 20,000, enye 200,000. Eno, ena chairman untumi ankasa. Edi man kofu say, omunfa share ni general manager no. Abusia yesi nipa anye. Na uye papa ji receipt. Na because of ene insensementi no. Ene this same person no, or see or be testify against nipa on pese bibia beto no. Just because NDC for huna no. Epese omu ka kire say ye nyina enim say obi an pese obekọ prison. Obi an pese obekọ prison. Inti say ya be ka kire say inti say if you come to support us and I say we testify in favor of us against your boss, we'll make sure you don't go to prison. And I also GD and I me woma and I me wakola and I me share abusia ding MPP4 bom paye ma chairman to me. Na 2012 President John Dramani Mahama the same thing against chairman to me. We the same thing against Chairman to me. Actually, say a idea on my planet was say no matter what they will deal with Chairman to me. Nti yedie nyaminkwa mebe etumiaji Chairman to me sisia. Na sisia na nsem we eba no ubetin nsem bebre NDC for betina TV so radio station on be kan nsem bebre just to say on be gu papa ne hu fin se ne be ya wo pen asem wo do no kra no wo be start say wo be hit no awusia man ko ne nko to aso na embra yeba
and then no minia no yesa ne call back to police cells
na when is asem be na besi
na me de me you know won say me de me minim ne ma bi a meka na minim say start Friday Saturday Sunday by the time minia kroku MP free police custody emra bonte no enko be koso with them
come on between one and one
a young common between prosecutors and the people of omo interest e wa asem no mu ya omo person chama won to me them na me wo gidie me wo suspicion say san common be koso and indeed enko ne koso common koso me mo bi edin na momo no what a kokko no ankasa wo pie ba adwada na me busa no because senior central for no minim na kaka me take kaka ese enkofo bi call hon ni ko di nkomo e ko sra no ni ko di nkomo enkomo emu ohwam me ba oba but me busa in fact o confirm kire me say ampa o ho no e pelefo bi be sra no o confirm kire me ti be ka tell the room say me suspicion na be eti enye se edan se afia da na wokosi mu no enye se obi se da nye se chema wuntumi eyi nani ma no in fact lawyer for ne nka nkyere wuntra but a year 9.4 million 9.3 million na ne de na nso no kwasi ada no me ne chema wuntumi and then na me ko bo chema wuntumi ko bo besia sikade de chema wuntumi kem me ne netika no mu and let's what to ade bi boy na ni hwe scales godin me dim se kase pe ekwe ko besan dem bi ntimi fa me se nka afọ ya o se ne first ka kwa se ka de boot na ni amoso what the my lawyer ba ko de scanner eba komase ni ba ko ba best and authority in the property ba no lawyer ni kuta scanner aba komase o hwe panimu ya wonhu no lawyer panimu de fra ba wo edi pop pe lawyer ni tini komase saa anwumre ansa na nipa ko no wonhu no ama edwada oba beye ama menua ekoku apie enti so bi ka say asane ba ye no sechema wuntumi ana ne lawyer for so kokwa jeje mu a abeye me nwanwa na menyini because at every mature moment bia no ye nyina ne nam in fact nana hwe edana eblada na omukọ court no omukọ demu Monday to Friday Tuesday to Friday no ekwo ka me na me bebe opake ka no me na me di ni ki ko tu ka di fi hon e di besi adwumem okay ewie me ko wose ka no edwada na wo bae me akọ wose ka de ka me fita me di ama no
Wuntumi 101.3
enti obi ka se to ekwo jeje mu ntina waye de waye na ne bakro no na wanka no kre me die me hu ni say aban no aye hwehwemu a woni evidence bi etia chema wuntumi ya wugiri so betibiri chema wuntumi atom etete saade ya yemfa ekwo emeye prosecution witness na eba se wo se na obi discuss you because Collins Dauda that I'm saying koso hine Collins Dauda wa beka no kre to no mu tu
Collins Dauda ye de
Collins Dauda igalam saying koso hine Collins Dauda Nidi a is say nidi no galamse nkoso hene Collins Dauda wa beka na bonten se wokotwa antro then energy minister Dr. Matoboko Prempe say ni kromu se ni kromu kanya no enso wom enti pressure abaso ni kromu betima se responsible minister bia so hwese obi kromu nse na focus sa dia transformer bi nu na fakọ Collins Dauda se wo kọ no oni mu se galamse fo no de koma wo mo etu oji ye no oji transformer ni wi ye no wo de koma wo de kosi baby ye galamse na no muto nyam na mekan etu ay galamse nko so hini owi no asa ka che na nanom se me yese mamu a na me obi a me mpese galamse be koso o mo se da bi nyeso galamse nko so hini se maba
no nam ho
ba joze
na ono ne nam ho dum
and one no nam ho and na furniture Ebenezer Kwakwado ya walidi tax say yanko asoja fonko bu wo mo soja fo makoma nan ya kennel and lidi wo mo would say soja mu no so no omo sam kennel for the side rank for no omo pa no money edin yo omo no ye in between for no nelo if mu omo ye mrantie omo ne edin omo ka so ko mu die wu akada ko mu kumuni papa and so we are very responsible soldiers or man to if it's not 7 by a Monday morning me can war won't me can move TV say we should expect something dramatic from the government on Tuesday and it did come to pass minia my can show by the time one na Attorney General issue statement no you say a Jordan and say afede o ma be do all charges against a Krokono. I can tell you on authority today, said that time they had not actually signed an agreement with the Kyokun. They signed it 2 days ago. I am telling you this on authority.
See.
Statement about Abontain Edwada, bare 4:30 p.m. say, Oma withdraw all charges against a Kyokun. Say, I did brother ye court. I can tell you, say, brother Edwada no 4:30 no. Now one near Kyokun and sign agreement. A brother no sign agreement. A brother no partner. Ye did a court. A brother no partner signing. So what was the haste? The haste was to divert attention.
College Dada, any Kwakwado.
Yes, and Koso, Galamsen Koso in the San Rotuma. 101.3. Is that a friend Galamsen Koso? Yalun sound because of being himself, Chamaun to media, Nihu Dom, in the Papa Nasem, where you're popular, it is an one back, you're not with Piabeca. I mean, I said, we buy ye, a nipper friend, nipper
Gordon, I said, when Wabosui.
Nipper and 24, a man 24, especially. What the Chamaun to mediate. Minim a command upon the ball. Over a quan was.
Na more fra mubusa questions bebre no questions no lawyers na betumi I dey achim but they make my card say bible adopai ene den na watwe mu busumi mu afie wom ena akedi anim no the best thing you can do for Chemawun to me is to keep him in prayer. Yes. The best thing you can do for him is to keep him in prayer. Na he's a strong-spirited man. And yema a pimni pa otofom no. And yes, I be keke. Otumi estande the test of time. Nia air kosu you know. Nia mama me say it is politically motivated. Ne say when the NDC was in power 2012, 13, 14. Say ye be tono. Emma ye question niema kasa no asha ase want to meet great faith. He was brought down. Call to trans no. Na ye endings in our power. Odibim. Timidie men kwasem no mu the merit of the case enkobua. Nemum monkai ne mpaibum. Na the messa ka will be on say in the coming days. Enipa bi beshada say ye boapayo. Say ye pa no magye say ye kom anase hwa na de ombedi entiro mo be sa no ombehye da atu ogu radio ni TV so akika nsema ma wo do ene tema bi kwa ma Chemawun tumi no wu na ne ho kwa be wo bufu say na wo nko na ada uduebo otiase ne ho kwa be wo bufu ama odo awo ma no akoma pa awo ma no wan hwe kwa mpo a it will be diluted. Oh. But I no pay the metumi aka ne say. Said okay say eyemunti no. Still eyemunti. Fi say nei. The ekeka ne bebrebe ne nam wiemu radio so TV so nyina no. Eya akwa say de omu ka ye nyina no. Saa asem mienu ya omu de aba no kwa adun. Ene omu nyina so. Na aban ewo national security. Okay. Aban our National Investigations Bureau NIB. Yokofo ewo ho. 3. The Criminal Investigations Department CID4 ewo ho. 4. Chemawun to me yanchene baako yanchene mienu. Ne kasi nyina no yasesa 15. He me say Chemawun to me kasi 2. Emoya o. 2 bako escalate. Okay. I say light sea blue color bi. Autonomous ho. That can say you 2 as a 3. Kumasi nipo 2 atoye de Chemawun to me na Dr. Kwagu Otin. Okay. Autonomous ho. Chemawun to me de no yaje. Dr. de no ho. Dr. Kwagu Otin de no ho. Okay.
One castle munkojo na o chirem.
Me castle munkojo.
Say adokro. Da o chirem bi no.
Enti anya bia se minim ne ka bia akura sa aka no de.
Onim ho asem. Enim baby.
O to sa aka me the following week na me to me CHR ne free mazi ho. Okay. Me CHR ka man to mazi the free me.
Na o tuan kakra.
Enti anya bia sa aka no nko ade.
Onim baby o to no.
O ti ase.
Na cars ni na ba ko kure ni wo no ane kraba yo.
Me say. Obu ha. Obi ani ba bia untu to ne ka.
Mo ya o.
Ebi o to ne ka ba ko nkran. Kroma sika fodo do no ho no bia to ne ka. Ba so bia ka ye nkoji.
Davida. Bia da.
It said 2013-14. Wo mu kwashe na excavators. The pickups. the site you take it over
still now
a court to kaye a ma the besi esiye na wenwo
sa
na oshe from no sa sorry ye no same way he will rise up again someday sometime.
Amen.